Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these homemade lemon bars. Now, these are delicious, so keep watching. We're going to start off with a 9 by 13 inch pan and put some parchment paper in there. Make sure the paper goes up the sides. It'll make it easier for us to pull the lemon bars out when we're all done. Go ahead and set that aside. In a large bowl, we're going to add 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and whisk. Now we're going to add 1 cup of melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix it by hand. So your dough should be a Play-Doh-like consistency, a little dry though. We're going to add it to our 13 by 9 inch pan. And press it down evenly. Now bake this at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes, just until the sides start to turn brown. I'm going to squeeze some lemons. I want to use freshly squeezed lemon juice from real lemons. You can use the other stuff, but the real lemons taste better. So I'm just going to strain it, and we need about a cup worth, which is 4 or 5 lemons. Just using a strainer to catch the seeds so they don't get caught up in there. Okay, after 15 minutes, your crust should be done. You can see around the edges, it's starting to brown. That's perfect. We're gonna let this sit and cool down a little bit while we work on the filling. For the filling, start off with a large bowl. Inside of that, we're gonna put a 1/2 cup of flour, then 2.5 cups of sugar. Mix that up. Next, we're gonna add 6 large eggs, 1 cup of our freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a dash of salt. Mix this all up. Now bring in our crust, and we're gonna just pour our filling right on top of the crust. Pour our filling in. Bake this 18 to 21 minutes at 350. All right, so it took about 22 minutes to cook completely. I'm gonna let it cool at room temperature for about an hour before I put it in the refrigerator to firm up. All right, so after a couple hours, you can pull it out of the refrigerator and you can just lift it out of your container, and we'll cut them up into little squares. But before I lift them out, I am gonna dust them with some powdered sugar. Remove them from the pan. And we're just gonna cut them up into little squares. And now for the taste test. These are delicious. That lemon flavor, so strong. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these homemade lemon bars. These are absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. Get new videos all the time. Be sure to check out this video right here. And until next time, I'll see you then. 1 cup of lemon, we need some freshly squeezed lemonade, or no, about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. Start over.